Hey Rob, Josh went ahead and had me send this over to you, and so I want to just thank you for being generous with your time here. This shouldn't be more than about 6 or 7 minutes. And what I'm doing is just sending out an attack plan to some local small business owners, and these are all things that you can implement on your own. You can run with it if you'd like, totally up to you. But I'm trying to add some value to some local businesses and give you three techniques on how you can improve your online presence and the traffic coming to your website. So I'll get into it real quick. I just want to talk to you about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So here's your site. It looks great. It's a good looking site. No real complaints here, obviously. But we need to figure out what it's doing for you and how much traffic you're getting from it, and if we can improve that. So the first thing that we want to talk about is content, like I mentioned. Now, Google has crawlers that crawl Google 24/7, and they look for a number of things. And one of the first things they're looking for is the homepage and the content and number of words on the homepage. So they're looking for 1,500 words on the homepage. So I copied and pasted your homepage, and you have about 538 words on the homepage. So if you can get that up to 1,500 words, that would be a really good starting point. But obviously, it's more important what is in the content than the number of words. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website and throughout all of your pages. So these are keywords that people are commonly typing into Google, like Denver HVAC company or AC repair Denver or Denver AC repair. Those are all words that people are likely typing in and commonly typing into Google. And there's a way that you can research that and figure out what the most targeted or the highest volume keywords are so that you know which ones to choose from. So what I went ahead and did was I pulled up your website and your data, and then I've also pulled up Summit Heating and AC, and I'm going to show you what they're doing to gain more of the traffics, because they're right here they're behind Angie's and Yelp. They're number one on the organic listings. I'm not going to talk about Angie's and Yelp because that's a whole different story. That's when you type in Denver HVAC company. So real quick, so you guys have 409 keywords, and it's allowing you to gain about 83 people per month to your site. So along with some of this other stuff that I'll get into in a second, these keywords are helping you gain about 80 people per month to your site. Oftentimes this is underreported, so it could be a lot higher than that. But let's go ahead and look at Summit. So you're 409, and they are 2,200. So they have about 1,500 traffic per month, and they have a lot more keywords than you. But the quality of keywords is very important. So what I like to do is go in and figure out which keywords they're ranking for and which ones have buyer intent. And they've done all the hard work for you, right? If these keywords are enough to rank them up there, they will be enough to rank you as well. So we just need to choose the right ones and get them into your site. The second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And what a backlink is anywhere that you're linked to another website. So this could be a blog, a guest post, or really anything that links you to another website that drives traffic to you. So this is what helps power your website and get you a lot of power so that Google, raises you or ranks you higher than somebody else. So you guys currently have 640 backlinks coming from 118 domains or websites, and this company has 1,400 backlinks coming from 493 websites. Now, not all backlinks are created equally, just like with keywords, but especially with backlinks, it's very, very important to get quality backlinks, much more important than quantity. You want to have quality backlinks. So these are trustworthy, relevant links that are relevant to your business. So what you can do is the same thing with keywords. You can figure out what backlinks they have, figure out which ones are quality backlinks, and use the same links. And then you can just add more quality links. And that is how you can gain a lot more traction with keywords and backlinks. One thing too I forgot to mention is you can save all these images as keywords. So instead of service truck, you can save it as, furnace repair, AC repair. You can save, you can save any of these images as a keyword. Heating and cooling repair and installation, Littleton. So that's okay. That's pretty long, but that could work as a keyword. It needs to be a highly searched for keyword. But anyways, so that covers that. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is how to get into this map hack. So this comes down to citations. So what a citation is anywhere you can add your business name, phone number, and address into a directory. And you want to figure out, this is an ad, so they're not actually technically number one in there. So you need to figure out how the weather changers, how many citations they have, and then beat them out by at least 50 or 100. So if they have 200 citations, you want at least 250 or 300 citations. There are a few other ways to optimize this that are very actually straightforward, but this is by far the most important way, is to get your citations up. Okay, so that's all I wanted to chat with you about. I really appreciate you being generous with your time, and I hope this is valuable to you. Again, you can run with this information and utilize it and get this done on your own. If you need help or would like feedback or advice and would possibly like to work together on this, I would love to be of assistance with that. And hopefully our goals align and all that good stuff. So I appreciate your time very much, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks so much.